Did you know that a single LNG carrier can transport enough natural gas to power over 70,000 homes for an entire year? In the intricate world of liquefied natural gas operations, organizations face complex challenges navigating technological sophistication, global market dynamics, and increasingly stringent environmental and safety regulations. Companies struggle to maintain operational excellence while balancing economic efficiency, technological innovation, and sustainability demands. Professionals in LNG operations encounter extraordinary challenges, managing highly complex technological infrastructure, ensuring precise operational safety, navigating intricate global supply chains, and meeting increasingly sophisticated regulatory requirements. Individual team members experience intense pressure to develop comprehensive technical and managerial skills, understand multifaceted operational ecosystems, and make critical decisions that impact global energy infrastructure and economic performance. Our comprehensive Mini MBA program provides a transformative approach to LNG plant and terminal operations. Participants will master advanced skills in operational management, technological integration, strategic planning, risk assessment, and comprehensive business strategies specific to LNG infrastructure. The program goes beyond traditional technical training, offering deep insights into global market dynamics, advanced technological innovations, and integrated management techniques that bridge technical expertise with strategic business understanding. Organizations can expect a significant enhancement in operational and strategic capabilities, with professionals equipped to navigate the most challenging LNG environments with precision and strategic insight. Participants will develop the ability to optimize complex operational processes, implement advanced safety protocols, leverage emerging technologies, and create innovative approaches that address the multifaceted challenges of global LNG operations. The training provides a critical toolkit for leadership in the rapidly evolving global energy landscape. This is more than a certification. It's a strategic pathway to mastering the complex world of LNG plant and terminal operations. Are you ready to transform your approach to energy infrastructure management? Your opportunity to become a strategic leader in global LNG operations starts now. Seize the moment to develop the skills that will define the future of energy infrastructure and operational excellence.